Do you love Chinese food but afraid of the MSG from the takeout restaurants? Why not make your own with more healthy ingredients? Hi, this is Amy Tong. Today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious, creamy SzeChuan shrimp stir fry with Philadelphia savory garlic cooking cream. First, let's heat a large non-stick skillet with a tablespoon of olive oil. Then we stir in 8 ounces of sweet snap peas and cook until crisp tender, about 3 minutes. We will then add in 1 pound of shrimp that has been peeled and deveined. Cook the shrimp until they are pink. Season with salt and pepper if desired. Add 1 teaspoon of sriracha hot chili sauce, and finally, a 10-ounce tub of Philadelphia savory garlic cooking cream. Stir for about 3 minutes or until the sauce is heated through. Taste the spiciness of the dish and add the remaining hot sauce if desired. The cooking cream gives this dish a silky, creamy texture and enhances the flavor of all ingredients. It's very versatile that it tastes great not only with shrimp, but also with chicken, beef, pork, or fish. This cream is truly chef-inspired and will make your stir-fry, pasta dish, pizza, or casserole even more delicious. Next, spoon the stir-fry onto cooked rice, sprinkle with green onions and cashews, and we are ready to serve. This dish is quick and easy. I bet it's even faster than ordering takeouts. Don't you agree? Most importantly, you know the ingredients that you're putting into the dish are healthy and delicious. I'm sure you and your family will enjoy this dish as much as my family does. Thank you for watching.